Hi, I'm David Cantor with the law offices of David Michael Cantor, and welcome to my blog. Today's topic has to do with a report released by allfacebook.com. Now, this is a separate site from Facebook, but it reports obviously on Facebook issues. Apparently, the Huntington Beach, California City Council has decided to post all DUI arrests on their Facebook sites. Now, they decided to do this because 6 months ago, the newspaper had stopped publishing the DUI arrests, and a city councilman said we should post these on Facebook. Although they're already posted on the police department website, they thought it would be a good idea to blast this out to the general public to tell them when somebody has been arrested for DUI. I have a problem with this because, first of all, you're innocent until proven guilty. That's a constitutional right. I think it's one thing if somebody wants to go looking for that information and they go online. I think it's a different thing if your phone beeps, you look at it and you can see your neighbors and who was arrested for DUI. I think that's just gossip. We're not a sewing circle here. I think it can also do a lot of damage. What happens if this beep goes out and it's the neighbor who got a DUI? Well, what happens to the neighbor's kids? What happens to other kids? They're in school taunting this person's kids. I think there can be a lot of damage done by blasting this out to everybody. Now, as an example, City Attorney Jennifer McGrath of Huntington Beach, California. Because of this story, it came out that she had a DUI conviction from 2005. She was driving on the wrong side of Main Street near City Hall while she was impaired by alcohol. This might cost her job now. Now, you may say, well, that's important to know if she's the city attorney. I agree. But what I'm getting at is, if that's what you say, great. Let's take all of your transgressions, any time that you were merely cited for a crime, even if it was later dropped, and let's tell all your coworkers about it. Let's tell your neighbors about it. Let's tell your neighbors' kids about it. And then ask yourself, how do I really feel about that? Do I really want this going on at all times? Do I want some sense of privacy? And probably you're going to say yes. Because what's next? Tweets. They're going to tweet anytime that there's a transgression, anytime that somebody got fired from a job for poor performance. How about anytime somebody's accused of maybe cheating on their spouse? We're going to have what's called the morality notifiers out there using Twitter, Facebook. But that's just what I think. Tell me what you think.